Hello everyone, and mabuhay! My name is Ellis Framo from 7 Galileo, and this is my scale model project, a phone charging port. This scale model features an extension cord, which is hidden in the bottom chamber, and two dividers that give 3 empty spaces for 3 charging phones. This is the process of how I built the charging port. These are the materials needed: carton box, scotch tape, scissors, ruler, glue gun, cutter, pencil, and spray paint. This is my draft. These are the steps. There we have it. The scale model measures 23 centimeters long, 9 centimeters wide, and 23 centimeters tall. Now, let's have its purpose defined. The purpose of this model is to keep children away from extension cords and to prevent accidents. This scale model is reflecting on the recent accident on a child because he placed the spoon inside of the power extension. Another purpose of this scale model is to organize your phones and chargers so that you won't lose them anytime ever again. That was all. Once again, I'm Ellis Framo, bidding you a good day and mabuhay!